Thank you, Wheeler. Dowry?
Alright, guys, I want you to hold hands here.
Hey, I need the jacket. We're doing Monty's
So you guys are going to stand here and hold hands for a second before you get kissing. Alright, we're almost ready.
coming out.
We live our lives in a perpetual almost ready. We love getting ready.